HW to fix Windows 11 cumulative update KB5016691 failed to install. 1. Restart your PC. 2. Disconnect your Windows from any active VPN server. 3. Disable any third-party antivirus. 4. Run the Windows 11 Update Troubleshooter. 5. Run SFC and DISM scans. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/check health dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health/DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health/source wim_x limit access 6. Clear corrupt data caches and rename the software distribution folder via Reset Windows Update tool. 7. Manually install the update. 8. Repair your system via Windows Media Creation tool.